How to merge two Facebook pages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have your login to your Facebook page. So there's no direct way to merge two Facebook pages as of now, but what we can do is take help and support from the Facebook team. So we can tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and select on help and support. Then tap on option of over here. So let's just tap on help and support, and as we do that we can select on the option of support. Now simply tap on the search bar and search for merge to Facebook pages. So as we do that we can simply search for it, and here we have the option. So let's select on merge to Facebook pages. As we do that, it will land us to a new page where you can see different options on how we can do it. So it will give us the instructions. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And as a check on the connection, you can see the page landing. So let's just see what are the instructions given to us. And after reading all the instructions given to you, you can simply try it, and if that doesn't work you can simply ask for the contact team or support team directly for the merging of two Facebook pages. So you can simply scroll down and let's just see, and we have different options over here. So you can go through this, or you can simply tap on this option of switch into your page, or directly ask for the what's this helpful option. Just tap on no and you can contact Facebook team. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.